Hi, I'm Sarah from the Random Products. Today I will review with you the 3 best dash cam on Amazon that got good reviews. The Rove R2-4k dash cam is a car dashboard camera that features ultra-high definition UHD recording with a 2160p resolution and a 2.4-inch LCD screen. It has a built-in Wi-Fi system for easy viewing and sharing of recorded footage on both iOS and Android devices, and it includes a GPS to accurately record your driving location and speed. The dash cam also includes advanced technology such as a wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, and more. You will find a link to these products on Amazon in the video description. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a compact and high-quality dash cam that captures 1080p HD footage, with a 140-degree field of view. It comes with incident detection recording and a signature series cloth. The device can be accessed remotely for live viewing and parking guard monitoring using the Garmin Drive app on a compatible smartphone. It also has voice control and driver alerts for a safer driving experience. Videos are stored securely in the online vault and can be accessed through the app. The UPGROW 3-channel 4K dash cam is a multi-camera car dash camera that provides 360-degree protection to drivers. It features a 4K front camera and 2K rear camera, with an optional interior camera, and GPS tracking that records the vehicle's location, speed, and route. The dash cam also has StarVis infrared night vision, which records clear images even in low light conditions, and 24-hour parking mode that records incidents when the car is parked. The camera supports microSD cards up to 256 GB, and has a super wide angle of 170 degrees plus 150 degrees plus 150 degrees. The camera also features loop recording, collision detection, and a Type-C power port for fast and smooth transmission.